Welcome to another installment of Dr. Airsoft, practical testing, goggles and masks. This time, I'm talking about the bitter end lower face mask. It's a mesh steel that's actually stamped steel rather than woven steel. It does work better than the woven steel in that, as you can see, when you fire at it with high velocity BBs, it can withstand the impact without breaking, without allowing BBs to pass through. This mask is available from the manufacturer. It's called the bitter end lower face mask. It costs about $50. We tested it at Airsoft Extreme using a rifle very much like our KWA KM16 battle rifle. We had chronographed it at over 500 feet per second using .20 gram BBs. It takes a punishment without letting the BBs through. You can see that there is some paint that came off, and when we look underneath the mask, you can see that fragments of BBs did come through. This concerns me because these fragments could go into soft tissues and cause injury, although I'm really not that concerned that they're going to cause significant dental injury. So if you want to make sure that you're not breaking teeth, which would be an expensive and inconvenient thing to have happen, this mask should be able to do the job. It's very nice because of the way it fits on the face. It does not cover the lower cheeks, so you're able to get a good fit right against your rifle for aiming. You can't get that with every mask. Oftentimes I will contrast the bitter end lower face mask with the Hakatsu iron face mask. It also will keep the BBs out. We've shown that in previous videos. It only costs about $10, and it seems to fit better with other goggles than the bitter end lower face mask fits with. When trying an airsoft mask, I recommend first that you get something that's safe and is not going to cause you to have dental injury. No reason to wear a mask if it's not going to protect your teeth. Also, if it's important to you to not get hits in the lower cheeks, then you're going to have to go with something that covers those, something more like the Hakatsu rather than the bitter end. Make sure that your mask fits with the goggles that you're going to wear. You need to make sure that they fit comfortably, that you don't feel it pushing in on your nose, as happens with some goggles with the Hakatsu. You also need to make sure that there is a good seal around the area where the goggles come in contact with the mask. If you have any questions about airsoft safety gear, please contact me at airsoftmedicine.com. You can write on our Facebook page, which is just simply Dr. Airsoft. Also, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, which is Auburn Medical Group. Until next time, this is Dr. Airsoft saying, play safely.